welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Alright y'all, today we are going to be doing a marble look today with Saviland Glitter Red, number 12, and number 10 of Ohuhu. So we're starting off with base gel. I've already prepped my nails, and if you want to see how I prep, I can definitely link a video down below. Just put the base coat and then you're curing that for 60 seconds. I'm really excited because today's look is very simple. As you can tell, this video is only 8 minutes long, which is insane. It's just such a quick, easy, but beautiful look. So I'm intertwining my glitter red and number 10 all together, and I'm just making sure that the design that I'm going for, which is marble look, stays intact. So when I'm patting down, you see how I just like mix that just a tad bit because I want it to kind of intertwine, but I don't want it to entirely be like one same color. So as long as you're patting very softly and you're making sure that the design that you're going for is intact, you're all good. Now the Ohuhu ones that I'm using, they're actually temperature changing ones. So look how light, see how it's like light pink now? And then this one actually turns, number 12 turns into like a white. So it's really, really pretty. Number 10 is like clear and number 12 turns into white. And I just love how when your hands are like cold, they're this bright, you know, it just gives that nice contrast. You don't just have that pink, but you have that orange and you have that brighter orange, and you know, it's just also pretty. So I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the application. It's pretty much what I do for the rest of the nails. Y'all already know that I'm obsessed with Ohuhu. It's like my number one right now. And of course the Savilands are much stickier than other brands, but I think it's just the glitter ones because the solid colors are pretty much very consistent. It's just those glitters that can get kind of annoying, but I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the application. So after I did my hollow flakes, which I got from a double dipped website, I'll definitely link those down below. I'm encapsulating with Model 1s. I had Model 1s at hand, so that's just what I use, but you can definitely use any clear you want. Cap that and cure that for 60 seconds, and then I'm just going in with the same marble look. I love how it's coming out so far. What do y'all think? Comment down below and let me know. Alright, so after I finished with everything, I went in with my Melody Susie, and honey, buffed them up, alright? So then I went in with my top coat, and Ohuhu's top coat is amazing. I'm not gonna lie. The top coat literally is thick enough where it stays where you want it to stay, and I just love that. I hate the runny stuff. It's like annoying. But this one will do. So I put that top coat, and then I wanted to go in with some gems. So I just did my middle finger with some pretty gems and just kind of like emphasized the pinks and the oranges that I had going on with a couple of accents that I found. So I'll link those down below. I got those from Amazon, and I'll let y'all see that. Just obsessed with how they turned out. Like, look at that. I love the contrast. I love the marbling, and the fact that they're temperature changing. Like, you can see the difference, you know, like it just looks so pretty. I'm obsessed. It only took me 45 minutes. Like, what? That's amazing. So try to recreate this. I want to see what y'all come up with. If you want to become a part of the DIY fam, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And y'all that are already part of the DIY Familia, thank you so much for watching. Comment and like. And por supuesto, nos vemos en la próxima.